ZBAO stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Zhibao Technology, it's melting down. You know, it is down 3%. And all I'm trying to tell you here is that I don't know if my previous rules are, yeah, they are here, but this screams nothing but a bearish market for me. I know it's just beneath $1, but what the hell is this, man? Like, you know, I've done 41,000 videos over 5 years. So, you know, I've seen what's working for me, what's not. This, I mean, especially ZBAO, man. Like, come on. What else is this shit? I don't like it at all. It may, like, it's not volatile, first of all, not above 150, because that's kind of going to be a bullish range for me. I mean, in the end, there's some other things, but currently it's just, I would rather follow other tickers here and not compare to this. So I'll keep you updated. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.